So standard 9, welcome back. We are in real numbers. This is the video number 13, problem set 2. Question number 7 we were doing. Out of that, one or two questions I think I have done. But let me, suppose done, we will do it once again. The third sum I will start with question 7 it is. In that it is under root of 216 minus 5 root 6 plus under root 294 minus 3 upon root 6. This is that question. We will try to solve it. We will try to understand it. We will go by the basic way. Instead of learning this is of what, instead of learning we will go on doing it systematically. That is equal to, first of all I will factorize this 216. It can be divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 complete, then it is 1, so 2 zeros are, and then 2 eights are. Some students are writing very wrong. 2 1s are 2 and 2 8s are 16. This way 18 to the 36 it will come, but if the multiplication is not coming up to this, then it is wrong. So how we are doing is 2 1s are 2, remain 0, take this 1, not divisible, so give 0, and then take this 6, 2 8s are 16. This way now you have understood this. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 27s are 54, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. Now this I will write as 2 into 2 into 2, 3 times, into 3 into 3 into 3, 3 times, minus 5. Of no use, it is just only 3 into 2, so of no use, so I will write it as this, plus. Now this 294 also I will write. 294 I will 294. Factorize it. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, remains 1, and this 4, 2 7s are. Now there is no question of dividing by 2 because last number is 7. It should be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 like this. So I will use the rule of divisibility of 3. Add these all numbers. 7 plus 4 11, 11 plus 1 12. 12 is in the table of 3, that's why I can divide by 3. So 3 4s are 12, remains 2, take this 7, 9s are. And this 7, 7s are, 7 1s are. Now the factors, now it has become very easy. 2 into 3 into 7 into 7. This part is what? Minus 3 upon root 6. So, here it is 2. It is the square root. So, make the group of 2. So, this 2 will come. This 3 will come. And what will remain is 2 into 3 will remain inside. 2 into 3. Because they don't have the pair. Minus 5 root 6. Plus. Now this, only this 7 has the pair, so 7 will come and remain 2 into 3. Minus 3 upon root 6. So that is equal to 6 root 6 minus 5 root 6 plus 7 root 6 minus 3 upon root 6. So this has root 6 as common. So I will write this root 6 common outside. What is remaining here? 6. Then it is minus 5. Then it is plus 7. And minus 3 upon root 6. So that is equal to. So this 6 minus 5 is 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. So 8 root 6. Minus 3 upon root 6. Now see the denominator. I have to cancel the denominator. So I will do cross multiplication, this into this, so that is equal to 8 root 6 into root 6 minus 3 upon root 6 upon 1 into root 6. This is one way. Another way also I will tell for the scholar students. So root 6 into root 6 is 6 into 8. 8 into 6 minus. So this root 6 I did not write. Minus 3 upon root 6. This was root 6. Do the cross multiplication. Okay. So 48 minus 3. 48 minus 3 is 45 upon root 6. Now the answer may be different. There won't be root 6 also. That may be also the case. So what I will do is, I will multiply and divide by root 6 into root 6 upon root 6. The reason for this we will give rationalizing the denominator. So that is equal to 45 root 6 upon 6. Now by 3 I can divide. 3 to the 6. 3 15 the 45. So 15 root 6. I will write it somewhat below. 15 root 6 upon 2. This will be the answer. Further, if you have to write another answer, that also you can do. So for the scholars, I will take some different way also from this itself. This itself. Here I am rubbing this and teaching you one another way. If you want to do by the different way, that also is correct. So how you will do is, this I will write as 8 root 6. And this I will rationalize this 3 upon root 6 into root 6 upon root 6. Rationalizing the denominator here itself. So that is equal to 8 root 6 minus 3 root 6 upon 6. So 3 1 the 3, 3 2 the 6. Okay. Now do the cross multiplication. 8 to the 16 root 6 minus root 6 upon 2. So that is equal to root 6 is common in the numerator. Root 6 taken common, root 6. So this will be 18 minus, here it is 1. Don't forget this. 18 minus 1 upon 2. That is equal to 17 root 6 upon 2. Pay attention to this very well. Multiply and divide. 3 1 the 3, 3 2 the 6. So do the cross multiplication. 8 to the 16. I have written here 18. 8 to the 16. So 16 minus 1. That will be 15 root 6 upon 2. Hope that you have understood this well. Now on this base you can do all the remaining sums. Not that all the questions I can solve in the videos. The videos become very lengthy. The questions, the base, I will give you how to do it. Hope that you understand it well. Now the fifth sum, 2 root 48, whether I have completed it in the earlier video or not, that I don't remember, but I think I have done this sum. Root 3, this is 16 3 the 48, this is 25 3 the, and multiply by root 3. That way you can do it. Simplify as the usual way. So I declare this question number 7. All the questions are similar. You should also take the efforts for doing this. Now question number 8. Rationalize the denominator. Rad the denom. Write the denominator, rationalize the denominator. Out of that, the first one is 1 upon root 5. That is equal to 1 upon root 5 into denominator is root 5. So I need root 5 to multiply. I have to multiply to the denominator as well as the numerator. So root 5 into 1 is root 5 and root 5 into root 5 is 5. So this way this sum is over. The second question, 2 upon 3 root 7. Why this is irrational? Because of this root 7. So I will eliminate this. So I will do this. I will multiply numerator and denominator by root 7. So that is equal to 2 root 7, 2 into this. And this will be 3 into root 7 into root 7 is 7. So that is equal to 2 root 7 upon 21. Hope that you have understood this. Okay, now the next one, we will take some different sum now. Third sum. The third one is 1 upon root 3 minus root 2. Here there are two things in the denominator, so we have to find the conjugate of it. Conjugate of it means what? Change this sign, that will be the conjugate. 1 upon root 3 minus root 2. I will multiply and divide by the conjugate of it.